Yo guys, what's up? Micro Garage Customs here, bringing you another video. Today we're going to be doing a Volkswagen Beetle with some color shift paint. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. Here you're gonna see me fail with the putty. I didn't bother to put any plastic over it. I was trying to cover up this hideous top that it had, and it fell apart on me, so I had to put some plastic and then try it again. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Alright guys, let me know what you think about this one. I'm working on getting a 3D printer so I can make some custom wheels. I know I've been slacking on the wheel section, but let me know what you think. I tried this a little more organic, unscripted. So like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think.